GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
I'm sure they liked me in Ishaqzade, 2 states. Chalo, ek villain returns. Maybe Sandeep or Pinky Farhad, somebody saw. But there was a point at which there was a slight. Yeah, we used to like him. He's not doing the kind of work we wanted. We used to like him, but he used to be like that. You know, we want to cheer for him, but there were a lot of question marks and there were a lot of doubts and a lot of opinions that existed before the film released. Will he, won't he? Can he stand up? Will the role do justice? Will he do justice? For all of them versus him. So there was a lot of people going in. I'm not saying everybody went to the negative mindset, but people wanted answers. People wanted validation कि ये उस लायक है कि इनके सामने खड़ा हुआ है. When I saw Taare Zameen Par, I realized perhaps I might have had some kind of minor dyslexia with numbers. I still do get a bit afraid of numbers, you know. हम लोग बैरी जॉन की एक्टिंग क्लास कर रहे थे. वरुण डिसाइडेड ही वांट्स टू डायरेक्ट द फाइनल फिल्म. तो ऐसे ठीक है, कितना बुरा कर लेगा. और वो लिख के लाया और उसने बोला यार तेरा रोल बेस्ट है, तू हीरो है. आई सेड हाँ मैं हीरो हूँ. तो वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग एंड वरुण वाज डायरेक्टिंग. जब मैंने बाद में एडिट देखा मुझे पता लगा वो कमीना वो एक्चुअली हीरो था और मैं विलन था पूरे उसका. When I started doing the class, when I started playing other characters, ना, I used to enjoy people looking at me. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था जब लोग मुझे देखते थे. तो I realized that I don't like to be seen as Arjun Kapoor, the fat kid, but I don't mind being seen as XYZ, the character. वो एक feeling थी उस वक्त, वो एक moment जो मुझे सही लगा मैंने किया हमेशा. जब भी if I've gone and stood with somebody, if I've gone and stood up for someone, if I've gone and stood by someone, in good, bad, ugly. Any choice that I'm making comes from my own belief. I'm making my own choices with my own core beliefs. आज अगर उसे एक्सप्लेन करके रैशनलाइज करूंगा तो मैं उसे क्या I'll build it up to a place where I want people to see my choices a certain way. मैंने वो कर दिया. वो स्पॉन्टेनिटी थी, मेरी इम्पल्स था, मेरा इमोशन था, मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस था. मैं आज उसको ओवर एक्सप्लेन करके ना उसे छोटा कर दूंगा.
So there is an interesting addition to my look today. It's the question mark on my forehead. And there is a story behind it, guys. Let me tell you that Arjun calls me Paresh Rawal from Judai. And whoever knows this would know that he only kept asking questions. तो जब भी कोई इंटरव्यू होता है और अर्जुन के साथ मुझे बोला जाता है कि 15 मिनट है, 20 मिनट है. So when I say that, the PR will come and say last question and Arjun will look and like नैनदीप है, चौथा होगा ये last. This is the 4th last. But Arjun, I want to tell you that I was very intimidated. You know this, that I was very intimidated when I met you the first time. Today I don't feel that fear at all. There's only love. And just to spread that love, I promised him that this is going to be our best interview. You guys also need to help. And I think with the kind of things that we have planned for him, this is going to be a really, really special moment for you, because what better than having you to celebrate Danger Lanka. Hello, hello, hello.
Thank you. So this is thank you. This is genuinely very, very overwhelming. मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा. We work for this to be able to get a reaction like this when we make films. जब बड़े पर्दे पे लोग हमारी फिल्में देखते हैं, but you know, we are not able to connect with the audience on a regular basis. हम लोग आप लोग को मिल नहीं पाते. And this is thank you, Nandeep, and thank you to the entire team of Galata for making me feel this. I walked into the room and I felt all your energy, and I'm a little overwhelmed by it. I'm really, really happy to see this kind of response. कुछ साल हो गए जब तक ये response मिला है मुझे, so I'm really, really happy and enjoying this. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. अब मैं क्या बोलूँगा इसके आगे, रिएक्शन कम होते चले जाएगा अगर मैं बात करूँगा. It's better I don't speak.
Arjun, there is so much of genuine love for you and your character. You said that you were in a space where you're seeing this after so many years. How do you take that love? Because today, everybody's biggest takeaway from Singham Again, including, and I'm saying this because Rohit sir has said this, and you will get to know this, that it was Danger Lanka for everybody.
I'm not good with it, yeah. Also, sometimes I'm very critical and I don't know if I deserve the love I get. And I think that comes from a lot of psychological things which we shouldn't get into. But the thing is, I'm very bad with taking compliments. I'm very critical. I'm very analytical. But this time, and I genuinely feel this time, I've just embraced all the love, all the attention. I normally shy away from doing interviews. I don't tom. जब 2 states चली थी तब भी मैंने एक interview नहीं किया था to say I'm in the 100 crore club. I'm the first guy from my age group. I didn't do all that. Even for this film, I didn't do anything before. I've just kept my mouth shut, my head down. I followed what Rohit sir imagined for the character. I did that. But this time, the kind of reaction I've got, I just feel I deserve this because I've put my head down and worked hard. मुझे क्या लगता है compound होती है चीजें. You know, sometimes I've done good work in the past. Maybe I've not spoken about it. Maybe the audience has not liked the work or the film. कुछ चीजें होती है, आप मेहनत करते रहते हो, तो मेहनत कभी ना कभी रंग लाती है, कहावत है ना. So I feel all the hard work that I've done, maybe films have not transpired, but all the effort, all the love that they wanted to give me, that they were not able to give me maybe at that point in time, I think it's all coming back. Compound interest पता होता है ना, आप लोगों को पता होगा कैसे चीजें compound होके वापस मिलती है. So I think somewhere I worked hard in those 10, 12 years. 5, 6 years went well. 4, 5 years didn't, but I still kept working hard. I still kept believing in myself. And the payoff today is Danger Lanka getting this kind of reaction and me personally getting this kind of love. Perhaps I did something right when I started my career, where I connected with them. All of them just needed a chance to show some kind of love towards me. So I don't want to resist it. I really want to embrace all this. I really want to spend as much time accumulating this because मैंने बहुत इंतजार किया है प्यार पाने के लिए, तो अब मैं उसे पूरी तरह enjoy करना चाहता हूँ.
You know, last week, wow. No, it's okay.
अरे लोगों को लगेगा मैंने तुम सबको पैसे दिए हैं.
नहीं दिए. Last week है ही नहीं पैसे देने को, तो क्या दे. Last week we did this interview with Samantha. And she said something similar that you said, that, you know, I can't take compliments. I have this weird imposter syndrome where anybody who would compliment me and credit me for a movie, I would say that I would start praising everybody else in the movie because same. How do you come to terms with it then? And
so, I mean, listen, these are all things that you realize later in life. You know, first you try and behave, you think, okay, I'll handle it. There's also a certain part of your upbringing. There's humility. You want to be a team player. I'm a collaborative person. But yeah, maybe till a few years back or maybe till this last year, is it imposter syndrome? Is that what it is? Okay, so it's maybe part and parcel of
questioning yourself. And you feel
I never, see, that's the thing. I never questioned my capacity and capability, but I'm not somebody who likes to hog the limelight. I'm not somebody who believes that I could be Danger Lanka without all those people doing their job right. And that maybe comes from my upbringing of being a producer's son, also being an elder brother, also being somebody who cares more about the process than taking credit for the result. So I don't know if I have imposter syndrome, but I do like to. यार बहुत कम लोग दूसरों को अच्छा बोल पाते हैं जब उनके साथ अच्छा हो रहा होता है. Everybody wants to hog it. I believe the fun is in celebrating with everybody. Collaboration, I believe that. So I don't know if it's imposter syndrome, but today, with permission of the people who have made this film, and they're very gracious. Let me say this: Ajay sir, Rohit sir, firstly, are very, very gracious people. The entire team. They are also happy for me. So what happens is when that is happening, you feel validated that they believe that you are worthy of this praise. You are not trying to step on anybody's toes to get your moment in the limelight. And that's how it should be. That's how it should be. And they're secure enough to allow me to shine. So today I'm enjoying it more also because I feel they have believed in me then, they believe in me now. And there is some truth and some honesty to the feedback also coming my way. So शायद पहले कहीं ना कहीं डिसबिलीव होता था, यार लोग इतनी तारीफ क्यों कर रहे हैं, या लोग इतना प्यार क्यों करते हैं. फिर कुछ दिन नहीं मिला ना तो यकीन हो गया ये प्यार जरूरी होता है, तो इसलिए अभी छीनने के लिए भी तैयार हूँ ये प्यार यार.
But Arjun, you know, from the time I joined Galata, he was one of the first people I called and I said that, listen, I'm planning to join Galata, and I remember that phone call where you
I
said
said बस सवाल छोटे पूछना, बहुत लंबे सवाल पूछता. That's what I told you.
सवाल छोटे हो गए हैं. But that time you had told me, and I had told you that we are doing this fans festival, by the way. And he told me only one thing, that just wait till Singham releases and then we'll do it. There was a weird sense of faith even you had. When Rohit sir actually launched your poster, he wrote, "Can I say, introducing Arjun Kapoor." Do you feel now with the love and response that there's a talk and chatter about Arjun Kapoor 2.0. Do you really call this your 2.0 version?
मैं बुलाओ या ना बुलाओ, सब मीडिया ने, लोगों ने, everybody else has called it. I think it's something that has come from the audience. So I don't want to deny it. Of course, it's a rebirth or a recalibration of how people are seeing me, and it's an exciting time for me to be reinvigorated by the energy that is coming my way. So I'm not going to deny. I'm in a new phase in my life. I was a boy who came into this profession. Today, perhaps I'm a man. People see differently. So that I definitely embrace. यार इतना कुछ faith with confidence का पता नहीं. मैं चुपचाप तभी काम कर रहा था. I had taken so many punches at that point in time. I said, यार, what am I going to come and speak to you about? I'm going to try and talk positively about my worst phase. I'm going to try and what am I going to do? What's the point of it all? बहुत अच्छी कहावत है, बहुत पुरानी कहावत है. अपने काम से मारो लोगों को. Let your work do the talking. And I thought यार अगर कुछ काम करूंगा जो लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा तब एक घंटा बैठ के आप लोगों को सुनने का मन भी करेगा ना. See, because I'll tell you what, honestly, I love the fact that they're all out here. I'm sure they like me, Nishak Zadeh, 2 states, chalo, Ek Villain Returns, maybe Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, somebody saw.
Absolutely.
But there was a point at which there was a slight, yeah, we used to like him, he's not doing the kind of work we wanted. We used to like him, but he used to be like that. You know, we want to cheer for him, but I understand and I respect the fact that they were not able to connect with me. तो मैं आके तेरे साथ एक घंटा बैठ के उन लोगों से क्या बात करूं जो मेरे से इस वक्त connect ही नहीं कर पा रहे. So
But did you introspect like that?
Of course I did. I'm sitting and talking to you because I thought about it. I'm a very critical person. I'm a self-analytical person. And I'm a very, मैं बहुत pragmatic आदमी हूँ यार. मैं realist हूँ. मुझे मेरी असलियत पता है. ये नहीं है कि आज मेरी ये फिल्म चली है. मैं इस फिल्म के ensemble का हिस्सा हूँ. तो मैं ये नहीं मानता कि यार ये मेरे वजह से चली है या मैं इसका नाजायज फायदा उठा के आई स्टार्ट बिलीविंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी द बिगेस्ट स्टार इन द कंट्री. दिस इज अ न्यू लीज ऑफ लाइफ फॉर मी टू जस्ट डू बेटर वर्क एंड दैट्स द रियलिटी. Also, I think debut, relaunch, whatever you want to call it, it's all extended from the people reacting the way they did, I think, on day one. Because Rohit sir called me at 2 o'clock and he said, "Yaar, have you?" I mean, he was just laughing on the phone. And I was in disbelief because 2, 2:30 baje, 3 baje, we started getting snippets and screenshots of my introduction. And I was like, literally, because like, I've not seen that kind of reaction for any work that I've done within 4 hours of the film's release. मतलब 9 बजे फिल्म लगी थी और 2, 2:30 बजे मुझे बता दिया गया था कि यार your introduction is getting that kind of reaction. And there was a lot of, okay, let me put it this way, curiosity is a positive word. There were a lot of question marks and there were a lot of doubts and a lot of opinions that existed before the film released. Will he, won't he, can he stand up? Will the role do justice? Will he do justice? For all of them versus him. So there was a lot of people going in. I'm not saying everybody went to the negative mindset, but the people wanted answers. People wanted validation कि ये उस लायक है कि इनके सामने खड़ा हुआ है. So at 2 o'clock to get that answer that there is a certain wave and surge, I think the rebirth has come from the audience's reaction only on that particular day.
Absolutely. And like I told you, that this is not an interview. It will not be an interview. It has to be an experience for you.
Okay.
And I promised you that it's going to be super fun. So we'll start off with the surprises because we spoke so much.
किससे bites कराई है तुमने?
एक तो इसको सब पता होता है. क्या बताओ मतलब? Of course there are bites.
Of course there are bites.
I have to top somebody.
So my father's bite got
Your
used.
Your father's bite? No, you will see how I top it.
Achha. Oh, you got things to top my father's bite. Okay. You're competitive, not collaborative.
I am very competitive when it comes to all this. Making others feel nice and loved.
Okay.
So the whole idea is that you had shared a bite for Rohit sir when we did Rohit sir's Fans Festival. And this is Rohit sir speaking about you.
Oh, wow. Oh yeah, we did the bite that day in the van. Yeah, I sent it.
Yeah, no, the film is for Arjun actually. Like, होता ना कोई film किसी एक actor के लिए बनती है, so Singham again is like it will be remembered कि ये Arjun के लिए बनी थी. फिल्में तो बनती रहेंगी, but if it I won't say help, but if it makes someone happy and you know, a person especially who's going through a lot, has gone through a lot, we all know, and then a film comes and that changes him as a person or makes him happy and makes him relaxed, I think it's okay if it is his film. Because I've made 16 films, I'll be making around 50 films, I think. So this can be his film. I'm okay with that.
So I love you too!
Whoever's drawn that is amazing, huh? Very nice artist. Please put it up again. वो जो अभी अर्जुन का जो face paint, हाँ, lovely.
So see, I was right about Rohit sir and Ajay sir. They are very gracious. They're very giving. For a man who's the captain of the ship to gracefully allow me to feel like he's allowing me to say this is my film for that moment. It's our film, and I will never ever want to take ownership alone for it, because अगर वो नहीं होते तो मैं यहाँ बैठा नहीं होता. अगर वो मुझ पे यकीन नहीं करते तो मैं यहाँ बैठा नहीं होता. अगर उन्होंने रिस्क नहीं लिया होता तो मैं वो रोल को कभी कर नहीं पाता. He could have chosen anyone, but he chose me. And even after he chose me, he never let it feel like I have chosen you, you better do well, or that it's a big risk that I've chosen you. On set, not once did any of them let me feel that I am in a position where I can maybe make or break the fate of this film to a great degree. And yeah, I'd like to take this chance to thank Rohit sir and his team. I mean, thank you, sir. Just thank you for from the day I met you for the narration to this bite today. I think the journey feels wholesome and complete that you've allowed me for a moment to even say कि ये मेरी film है. मैं वो कभी कहूँगा नहीं, ये हमारी film है. But thank you for making me part of your world, and I'm very, very grateful for the rest of my life.
In every interview, before you worked with him, whenever there has been a question that Arjun, before you worked with him, in every interview, जब भी पूछा गया है कि अर्जुन आप कौन से डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना चाहोगे, आपने हर बार रोहित सर का ही नाम लिया है. You always been a fan of his commercial entertainers. When you got that call, he told me that part is not that we should put. He told me that Arjun used to be a part of all my film sets. He used to come, we would shoot, he would be there, he would know what film I'm making. So it was only a given that we come to him because this part suited him the most. How long have you waited? When you were on the sets, did you ever like go up to him and say, "Sir, एक movie हम करते हैं"?
नहीं, so when I saw Golmaal 3, सबने देखी होगी यहाँ पे. Golmaal 3 is one of the funniest films. And then Singham I'd seen in, अभी पीछे यहाँ पे चंदन रहा नहीं, मैंने चंदन में सिंघम देखी थी 2 बार, मैंने गोलमाल 3 2 बार देखी, मैंने सिम्बा जाके थिएटर में PVR में देखी थी. ऑल द बेस्ट आई हैव सीन. दिवाली मुझे याद है, मैंने दिवाली में ब्लू भी देखी थी, ब्लू भी देखी थी, और ऑल द बेस्ट भी सेम डे देखी थी थिएटर में. Blue was not his, but I saw all the best back to back. So what I mean to say is, I was a huge fan of Rohit Shetty's films. चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, मैं चेन्नई में चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस देखी थी. मैं चेन्नई में 2 स्टेट शूट करा था, और मैंने और आलिया ने जाके चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस देखी थी. लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, उनकी सारी फिल्में देखी थी. एवरी टाइम आई रीच्ड आउट टू हिम, आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड हिम दैट सर प्लीज आई वांट टू वर्क विद यू व्हेनेवर इट्स पॉसिबल. आई डिडंट नो वेयर इट वुड बी, हाउ इट वुड बी, एंड ही ऑलवेज सेड वन थिंग वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुली. ही सेड जब तेरे लायक कुछ होगा मैं जरूर आऊँगा. Potentially at one point there was something that was brewing for about 5 minutes almost, but it didn't quite pan out, and I respect the fact that he didn't come to me with something that was not worth my time maybe at that point of time. तो देर आए और दुरुस्त आए, वो कहावत है, you know, better late than never. देर आए दुरुस्त आए, and I was meant to do this, I think. And yeah, I've been on, मैं सिब्बा के सेट पे रणवीर मुझे वीडियो कॉल करके बोलता था, बाबा मैं अभी टाइटल गाना कर रहा हूँ मास्टर जी के साथ, एंड रोहित सर यूज्ड टू वेव टू मी. आई हैव गॉन टू सर्कस सेट एंड सैट डाउन फॉर आवर्स टुगेदर एंड हंग आउट विद रणवीर एंड सर. But in my wildest dreams, I didn't imagine that manifestation exists to this degree. You know, Ranveer and me always spoke about doing a Rohit Shetty film together. My first day on this film is Ranveer Singh and me shooting together, him playing Simba and me playing Danger Lanka. So, वो शाहरुख सर की लाइन है ना, पूरी शिद्दत से अगर किसी चीज़ को पाने की तुम कोशिश करते हो तो वो हो ही जाती है. सबकॉन्शियसली मैंने और रणवीर ने कुछ प्लांट किया था बहुत साल पहले, एंड इट जस्ट केम ट्रू.
Thank you. When you speak about that one film that you were almost supposed to do, at that point I remember you, Rohit sir, have all gone out and said that that film couldn't be made because not many people from this generation were ready to collaborate together. And you have said this, that the day our industry comes together where we make our own Indian Avengers, and this is many, many years ago, that is the day that is the day when we can call ourselves complete cinema. And today there is a wave where every region is getting that representation. Everybody is coming together to make films, and this movie is a representation of that, right? So many big actors coming together. Do you feel we are slowly getting there?
See, we need to collaborate and work together, because what's happened is the audience now today has a choice. वो घर पे बैठ के सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, चाहे आज देखे चाहे 2 महीने बाद देखे. You need to excite them, you need to get them aware that this film is worth watching on the big screen. So you need to collaborate. Some people like certain genres, some people like certain actors, some people like certain kind of visuals, some people like certain kind of stories. You need to be able to put it all together. Collaborating for creativity is the way forward. It's always been. If you see internationally, it's been there for years. I mean, today you see when they do an Ocean's 11, there's Brad Pitt, George Clooney and Matt Damon. Matt Damon has perhaps a role that is not easy to convince maybe a mainstream hero here to do that easily, but they do it because they understand what it does for them to now go out and do a Bourne Identity themselves. So there is a logic behind collaborating and doing these big set piece films and big ensembles. So you can also create your own niche along the way. So you do these and you see the 80s, 70s, 80s, 90s. I mean, today you see the biggest stars from the 60s, 70s, 80s, they all did ensembles. I mean, there's Amar Akbar Anthony, there's Shan, Sholay, going into your Karan Arjuns and Andaz Apna Apnas and your Jeets and your Tridevs, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Our cinema is known to be larger than life, not only for the kind of stories we tell, but also the kind of faces that play those characters. Obviously, what happened is we all got a bit selfish because that just happens. We became more and more personal and protecting ourselves. It's important to. I've always done it यार, मुझे नहीं पता बाकी क्यों नहीं करते, मुझे समझ नहीं आता और मैं उसको ज़्यादा आपको बोर नहीं करूँगा रैशनलाइज करके. फैक्ट इज मैंने गुंडे की थी, मेरी चौथी फिल्म थी, तीसरी फिल्म थी. औरंगजेब वॉज एन ऑनसॉम पृथ्वीराज के साथ, वो मेरी दूसरी थी. मैंने फाइंडिंग फाइनी की थी जो पूरी ऑनसॉम थी और इंग्लिश पिक्चर थी विद दीपिका, नसीर सर, पंकज सर एंड डिम्पल मैम. मुबारक एज एन ऑनसॉम. एक फिल्म रिटर्न्स 2 हीरो पिक्चर है, भूत पुलिस 2 हीरो फिल्म है. मुझे नहीं समझ आता ये कॉन्सेप्ट कि यार मैं अकेला हूँ और मैं ही करूँगा, मुझे नहीं पसंद. मुझे पसंद है हम सब साथ में करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन रोहित सर and Ajay sir's ethos also, and that's why they've made so many successful films. The Golmaal, Ajay Devgan is allowing very gracefully and having a gala time, letting everybody play their roles, and that's how it should be. For example, today you see, what's the best example here? आप पठान देख लो. John's role is phenomenal. So it's an ensemble piece in that sense. Deepika, John have great roles. When you see a war, Tiger has a he's equivalent to Hrithik Roshan. If maybe you can be a bigger fan of Hrithik, but you cannot say that Tiger Shroff is not equal to him in the film. So you need more of those to galvanize these people to pay money and come to the theatre. वरना वो घर पे सब कुछ देख सकते हैं. So the future is collaboration. That also gives you better budgets. That also creates better posters, more excitement. Who doesn't like to know? अरे यार ये पिक्चर में ये भी है, ओ वो भी है. अरे इसका, we want to find out what role it is. Today when you hear a Singham against cast, you're like, we want to go and see Akshay Kumar, we want to see Ranveer Singh, we want to see Deepika, Tiger, Kareena. But मैं थकी क्या नाम लेते लेते. तो it's exciting, right? And that's what you need to do. You need to excite. This young audience is, their attention span is zero. बीच में phone भी check कर लेंगे. And it's not their fault. It's just the conditioning of society. So you need to engage them at the speed at which Instagram engages them. So for which you need more people and you need more energy to create in a film. Yeah? That's just one of the things that's important. It's not the only thing. Collaboration and ensembles will definitely allow our audience to come in and enjoy the spectacle far more. That's what I think.
Arjun, how inquisitive were you? Noyan. Yes.
Yes.
How inquisitive were you as a child and how dangerous were you as a child? Can you please?
I was not dangerous or inquisitive. I was just badmash.
Badmash.
And I remember very, very clearly, I used to love going out and playing. मुझे पढ़ाई के साथ, I used to just love being out in the building, playing cricket, playing. I didn't know half the sports, but I wanted to go and play every sport. I used to just want to be out. For me, school खत्म होता था, मुझे homework कुछ नहीं करना था, मुझे जाके बस बाहर खेलना था. That is it.
And पढ़ाई में कैसे थे?
So I was very good in studies, in all fairness. I was very good in studies till about the 6th standard. Then unfortunately, I think what happened is because of circumstances, I lost a bit of interest in education. मैं जैसे English में बहुत अच्छा था, मराठी मेरी ठीक ठाक थी. I used to get good marks, Hindi. So languages I was good, history, geography I was very good. Science also I was fairly good. The only place where I struggled, which I realized much later in life, was numbers. I was not bad in studies, like, and I hope मैं जब बात करता हूँ, you can understand मैं थोड़ा समझदार इंसान हूँ, correct? ऐसा तो नहीं कि बिल्कुल कि क्या बात करता है, चलो यार फोन पे देखते हैं आज क्या चल रहा है. So I was into studying. I could not deal with numbers, so I struggled a lot with that here going forward. That became a big. Then when I saw Tare Zameen Par, I realized perhaps I might have had some kind of minor dyslexia with numbers. I still do get a bit afraid of numbers, you know. I'm just glad I have my sister to do my accounts and my stuff like that to take care because I'm not very good with numbers.
What?
What?
He's a walking, talking encyclopedia. You can
No,
take.
no, those are film numbers.
हाँ.
Film के collections is very different than calculations. और टैक्स देना किसे अच्छा लगता है? कैलकुलेट करने में मजा थोड़ी ना आता है कितना टैक्स देना है.
But बचपन से you were on a film set. Do you remember your first time on a film set?
So my entire life with my father was being on रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा. There's a film my father made called रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा. अगर आप सबको टाइम मिलेगा जरूर देखना. By today's standards, even by today's standards, it's one of the biggest films we ever made. It was a film that cost 10 crores in 1992.
Yes.
It has Anil Kapoor, Sridevi ma'am, and Jaggu Dada, Jackie Shroff. Anupam Kher was the villain. और उसमें अनिल चाचू के साथ एक पिजन था जिसका नाम था जैंगो, जो मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर हुआ करता था उस टाइम पे. सो रूप की रानी was larger than life. There were 8 songs. There was a train robbery. They were his name was Romeo in the film. So I was infatuated by cinema from that age when I used to go to that set. And that's also where I spent time with my father. So मेरे लिए जिंदगी नॉर्मली फिल्म सेट थी. मुझे लगता था जो बाहर हो रहा है वो अजीब है. I thought going to school and all is a bit confusing. Like, why do you meet people and all? You should be doing dishum, action, dancing. There's some light, there's a camera, there's a trolley. Like, for me, life was a film. It's like, there's a film called Truman Show. I thought सबकी जिंदगी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि कैमरा हर चीज रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. So from a young age, I was obsessed with making movies and being part of a film set.
You know, there was this point where Varun said, Karisma Kapoor actually said on a show that Varun Dhawan आता था हमारे सेट पे और हीरो नंबर 1 के सेट पे हम लोग गाना शूट कर रहे हैं और वरुण धवन अचानक आके बोलता है कट भी नहीं हुआ शॉट, पापा मैं एक और आइसक्रीम खा लूँ and all that. Have you done something like that on the sets of Mr. India, Roop Ki Rani?
No, but I don't know. किया होगा यार. You'll have to ask my father. I was quite well behaved that way. And Varun, I cannot comment on because Varun is a mastikhor about everything in life. But set पे कभी कुछ किया था? नहीं, मैं बस एक बार गया था. एक प्रेम की शूटिंग चल रही थी और मुझे फरारी का एक बहुत बड़ा पोस्टर बना था. Like it was like a painting/poster. And I remember I had started crying saying मुझे वो चाहिए. तो my father actually had got that brought down from Kodaikanal and put in my room. That was the only time I think I went out of my way and threw a tantrum almost when I was very young. Because I used to be obsessed with Ferraris and I used to be obsessed with cars when I was growing up. But that obsession also came because of Jaggu Dada. Actually, Jackie Shroff had the best cars in our film industry growing up. तो मैं उनकी गाड़ियाँ देख के ना मुझे लगता था वाओ ये जिंदगी है यार. एक तो फिल्म सेट पे जाओ और फिर ऐसी गाड़ी में बैठो और फिर जिंदगी जियो मस्त एकदम.
वरुण के बारे में बात किया है तो एक आप लोगों ने एक प्रोडक्शन कंपनी खोलने का सोचा था एंड आप लोगों ने कुछ एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग की है. There is some
Oh God,
where he was the hero and you were the villain or
वो
something.
एक्चुअली वरुण ने मुझे नहीं बोल सकता, वो डिलीट हो जाएगा. चूतिया बनाया था, डिलीट कर देना ठीक है. उसने बहुत मेरा काटा था. उसने मुझे बोला तेरा रोल सबसे अच्छा है इस 7-minute शॉर्ट फिल्म में. हम लोग बैरी जॉन की एक्टिंग क्लास कर रहे थे. वरुण डिसाइडेड ही वांट्स टू डायरेक्ट द फाइनल फिल्म. तो ऐसे ठीक है कितना बुरा कर लेगा. और वो लिख के लाया और उसने बोला यार तेरा रोल बेस्ट है, तू हीरो है. आई सेड हाँ मैं हीरो हूँ. तो वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग एंड वरुण वाज डायरेक्टिंग. जब मैंने बाद में एडिट देखा मुझे पता लगा वो कमीना वो एक्चुअली हीरो था और मैं विलन था पूरे उसका. पर उसने ये बात मुझे बताई नहीं थी. जो शूटिंग करने के बाद समझ में आई तो वो उसकी लाइन एकदम सही है. वो दिखता है स्वामी टाइप का लेकिन है बड़ा
हरामी टाइप का.
हाँ देखा ऑडियंस भी पहचानती है उसको.
When did you actually want to become an actor? Did you always want to become an actor or a
It's
producer
one of
or a
the rare
director?
films YouTube पे देखना जहाँ पे वरुण ने पूरे फिल्म में टी-शर्ट पहन के रखी है. Just by the way.
What's the name of the film?
नहीं मैं क्यों बोलूँ, तुम लोग ढूंढो.
ठीक है हम लोग ढूंढ के
I
दिखाएंगे.
am not very proud of. He showed that to Karan Johar. Can you imagine? That's why I feel I got less work from Dharma at one point. But anyways.
When did you decide to become an actor? Did you always want to become an actor या फिर director बनना था, producer
नहीं
बनना
I
था?
wanted to direct यार. मुझे फिल्म मेकिंग का बहुत शौक था. मैं जब मैंने when I was not really interested, I was bunking college and all that. मैं ना रात भर बैठ के 2 पिक्चरें देखता था. कमेंट्री के साथ देखता था. मैं किताबें पढ़ता था फिल्म मेकिंग के बारे में. I was very inquisitive about how to make films and I was very inspired by the process of filmmaking. But I guess I became an assistant. I started working on a film set. You also get enamored by the other side. And then I realized, I said, okay, मुझे ये कीड़ा काट रहा है, मैं जाके चेक करूँ कि ये silly stupidity of being enamored, because at some point I think everybody gets enamored by that sort of profession. When you're a young child, you're impressionable. When you're young, you know, आपको लगता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. although I was about 140 kilos, I don't know why I thought मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. But I had some strange belief कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. I was losing weight, but I said, यार ये weight loss के साथ I need to go and also do something called acting. So me and Varun joined Barry John's acting class that time. And I decided in my head, यार अगर मैं Barry John की acting class ठीक से कर पाए, ठीक से in the sense if I feel comfortable when people look at me, if I'm able to understand direction, मैं अगर character बना पाऊँ कुछ भी कर पाऊँ, तो फिर मैं सोच सकता हूँ acting के बारे में. I did the class, I started it, and they didn't know who we were, which was amazing. I think at that point, today it would be impossible for star kids or people who've grown up in the film industry to be able to go to a class and not be known. I think me and Varun for about 20 days out of the 35 days, nobody knew Varun was David Dhawan's son and I was Boney Kapoor's son, and that really made it an even playing field in that sense. When I started doing the class, when I started playing other characters, I used to enjoy people looking at me. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था जब लोग मुझे देखते थे. So I realized that I don't like to be seen as Arjun Kapoor, the fat kid, but I don't mind being seen as XYZ, the character. And also I got to live vicariously by playing all these characters. तो मुझे मज़ा आता था. एक बार हमने एक एक्सरसाइज की थी जहाँ पे हमको जू भी जाके ऑब्जर्व करना था और कैरेक्टर क्रिएट करके आना था. तो वरुण ने नारियल पानी वाला प्ले किया था, मैंने नारियल पानी वाला किया था, उसने शिवसागर के वेटर को चुना था ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए. तो आई स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग यार मुझे ये चीज़ें अच्छी लगती है, छोटी बड़ी कुछ भी हो. अच्छा क्रिटिसिज्म भी ठीक लगता था बिकॉज दैट मीन्स यू परफॉर्म समथिंग, लोग बोलते थे ना. आई सेड यार ठीक है मैं ये भी ले पाता हूँ. दैट मीन्स देयर इज सम एबिलिटी फॉर मी टू अडेप्ट टू बोथ द साइड्स. वन इज टू डू and one is to learn. So Barry John helped me a lot, and I think Varun and me doing it together also helped a lot. Then we went back for more work with Barry John. We did more workshops. Saurabh Sachdev, who's a fantastic actor. अगर आप लोगों ने एनिमल देखी है जो बॉबी देओल के साथ जो उनके छोटे भाई का रोल कर रहे हैं, वो एक्चुअली मेरे और वरुण के साथ एक्टिंग क्लास किया करते थे. Barry John में he was one of the teachers. So Saurabh Sachdev was a very very big influence at that point in time. And
he teaches now.
He teaches now also, but he was part of Barry. He was part of our journey, and he used to take us aside and talk to us and encourage us. So I think that point I realized यार ये कोशिश तो कर सकता हूँ. Then the audition happened, and then the rest is history. वो बोर हो जाएंगे अभी इतना लंबा जवाब
अब मस्ती बोला है तो मैंने तो बहुत सारी चीजें ढूंढ के लेके आया. उधर से ही.
अच्छा मेरे घर से.
नहीं आपको पता चल जाएगा कहाँ से.
अच्छा ठीक.
जी आप दोनों को साथ साथ किसी से,
आप दोनों को दूसरा,
you and Varun, you are in the same class, no? You both you both actually fell for the same girl, is what I've heard.
I don't know. I have no idea.
अच्छा.
Varun would know this. Ask Varun. Don't ask me. I have no idea.
You guys didn't fall.
No. मैं इतने आसानी से नहीं गिरता.
Arjun, more than a question, I want to say this out aloud because there are very few people in your position, especially. You've been that one person, it doesn't matter if it's only family or not, but you've always been there. Even if you've not been a part of people's celebrations, but you've always been a part of people when they have people's lives when they have hit their lowest lows, and you know it. How do you manage to do that? As a human being, to keep everything that you feel aside and just be there for that person when that person is like honestly grieving.
I don't think at this point in time any answer I give can explain it properly, because that's an impulsive and spontaneous emotion you feel in that moment. आज अगर मैं बात करके उसको explain कर दूंगा ना तो वो emotion की value कम हो जाएगी. वो एक feeling थी उस वक्त, वो एक moment जो मुझे सही लगा मैंने किया हमेशा. जब भी if I've gone and stood with somebody, if I've gone and stood up for someone, if I've gone and stood by someone, in good, bad, ugly, any choice that I'm making comes from my own belief. I'm making my own choices with my own core beliefs. आज अगर उसे explain करके rationalize करूँगा तो मैं उसे क्या I'll build it up to a place where I want people to see my choices a certain way. मैंने वो कर दिया. वो spontaneity थी, मेरी impulse था, मेरा emotion था, मेरा thought process था. मैं आज उसको ओवर एक्सप्लेन करके ना उसे छोटा कर दूंगा. उस समय अगर मैंने कुछ सही किया ना, आज उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात करके एक्चुअली I'll make it, instead of making it a significant moment, I think I'll take away the significance by quantifying it. So I did what I felt was right. I'm glad that if you can notice it or anybody feels that way, the intent was to do the right thing then. And that's always the intent, to do the right thing at that point, what you feel impulsively.
And that's why you represent your parents in the rightest way. Because this is a show which is, I'll be very honest, the reason why I started it, it might, again, बहुत नफरत है बाहर. आप थोड़ा सा कुछ करोगे ना, उसके बारे में 400 चीजें लिखी जाएगी. But I think not many people are actually selling the idea of love, and I'm not even saying selling. They're
No, of
selling
course.
negativity more than
Of course,
love. So that's the whole idea. to
I'm
make
very
you feel
happy
loved.
being celebrated. I'm very happy feeling the love from my family, from you, from all of them.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.